Hello guys, on this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a splash screen to a login UX design using Sketchware Pro. So watch carefully.
Firstly, click on your Sketchware Pro and then to new project. Enter your project name. Let's name our project Splash Screen. Splash / login. The name is anything of your choice. Then add a color. Now if you want to know what these colors are and how it works, you can see this .? here. You click on it and it will show you an image of how it works. So if you want the top of your color to be the way it is, color primary and color accent, you change it. So let's just use blue as it is already. So let's just use white. Okay, let's use black. Okay, it's all black. That means whatever color I add on my project should be black. So now you can see the above icon toolbar. So we don't really need a toolbar, so we'll have to just click on our menu and edit. We'll remove our toolbar. So now follow my steps carefully. You add a linear V and set width to match screen. Then change color, background color, black. Now have it in mind that this is our first project we are creating, XML, and this is where the splash screen will begin from. So this is the splash screen. Now we'll set our gravity to horizontal and center vertical. Now let's add an image on icon. You can see it's in the center already because I set our gravity to center horizontal and center vertical. Now you can add an image of your choice. So let's go. As a new person, you cannot have any image here. So if you want to add image, you click on these three dots above. And while working, don't forget to save your works so that you will not lose it. You add image or icon, and then you click on the plus button here. Let's add our 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲 icon, and we name it Edward. Save. Then click on this icon again and add image. You'll see your icon saved. Then select. You can see now my icon is on the screen. Then you can resize your photo and scale type. Set to fit center. Set the width and height to 100 and height 100. And now our image is fit. Now you can add a progress bar to make it look like it was loading. So now we have a splash screen. You can animate your splash screen using what you want or how you want it to be. So now to move, let's create a new XML. Now we'll add the create new and then we'll add it sign up. Save. Don't forget to disable your toolbar. Now we have a sign up string. Now we'll have to create our sign up string. You add a linear V, set width to match parents. You can as well add a background of your choice to match your color primary above. So, and have it in mind, you can change this color primary without going to your Sketchware project. You can as well add your own color primary. So let's add our project here. Okay, let's then add another screen. Set width, match parents, and set background to black. So at this point now, set your linear to gravity to center. Then add linear edge. Add 2 for now, and set background colors to white. Let's set to white. Yeah, you can see it. And don't forget, we'll have to space it using our margin. let's set margin to, okay, let's set margin button 10. Let's increase the height of our work. Let's set 50 and 50. We have a 50-50, and on this we'll have to add, on this part we'll set our gravity to center, and I will add an circle image view. That's where our logo will be. Then we'll add our image 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗘𝗡. Don't forget to set your scale type to center, fit center, and reduce the size of your image to 100 by 100. Then you can as well add a text and name it 𝗥𝗘𝗘𝗔𝗦𝗏. Let's name our text 𝗥𝗏𝗏𝗏 or 𝗥𝗏𝗏𝗏, and set text style bold. Now we add an edit text. Add another edit text. Set width to full screen to match screen. Then add a text one, a text again. Change color to white. Add a margin for spacing. Let's name our margin 10. We'll change our text to login. Okay, so now let's add hint name. You can as well change the sizes of your text. You can change the sizes. If you want to change them, you'll see the text size. Alright, let's add hint. So now we'll add a button icon, and we'll make it sign in. You can change the background color to white. So back to our splash screen, so that the splash screen will automatically move us to our login. So now we'll move over to components, click on the add button, and then add intent. You can add it a name of your choice, so we write it intent, and we add. Then we'll add timer, name of your choice, so say timer, and then we add. We have intent and we have timer. Now we go to our events on the activity, then the on activity create. We click on this block and we look for our component. Intent. Before we add intent, we'll have to add a timer. Now on timer we click on this block, and then we add intent. All these blocks I'm adding, and then when you're done, you click on the timer, add your timer, you add your intent, then add a time, minutes per second. So let's add 1005. Then we set action. Sorry. So we add intent flag, clear top. If you don't want animation, you can add a direct block. You can add the direct block and write intent dot add flags dot intent dot flags no animation. Then you click on this and remove these ones. So let's just say no animation. So this is our, well, then we'll add our screen, the screen where we want, after what happens in the splash screen, where you should go. So add our sign up activity and we'll save. So this is how it looks. Source code, this is the source code. Timer equals new overtime tags at override public voice run, blah blah blah. And when you're done, you go to Library Manager, turn on your compact discs, your compact and app compact and design, turn it on. Then let's run our codes. Now we download. Our screen login has been installed. Let's open and see how it looks like.
Okay, we'll have to try again. We'll have to try it again. So we have our app. Remember, you can add an image to your splash. So let's try it again. You see it then. Alright, thank you for watching my video.